Hey, it's Gina with WTI. If you're looking for a really easy and beautiful way to update the look in your home, then you got to check out one of these mirrors from Mirrorons. We just recently renovated our bathroom and I wanted a mirror that would give it an updated and modern look, and I was so thrilled with this mirror. For one thing, it came in various sizes and we have a smaller bathroom, so the 28 by 20 was perfect for the space that we had in order to hang it on the wall. The backsplash behind our bathroom vanity has stone composite peel and stick tile, and my husband was able to drill through that easily with an automatic tool, and then we were able to use the anchor screws and the screws to be able to mount it. This is such a beautiful addition to our bathroom. It is completely the aesthetic that I was wanting. And I just love the simple, elegant look with a really clear mirror. This mirror has really exceeded my expectations for how it's modernized our bathroom and just made it look so elegant. And that's my point of view.